everybody. We out here at our stunt spot, man. We about to see what we could do today. We just out here practicing. Been like about a few weeks, about a month. So I ended up installing a step plate on my bike. Shout out Ella's Garage. Ella's Garage built a solid step plate. I've never had a step plate before. I don't have a handbrake. I just got a foot brake right now. And yeah, we gonna try it out today. I got Aaron out here, T-Cat out here, Boots, Be Nice. We all out here. Got the kids. We about to burn some rubber and do some wheelies. See if we get Aaron to scrape his fender today.
Try to.
But yeah, like and subscribe if you haven't already. And we out here. We gonna get to it right now. About to try this step plate out. I have no idea how to use it, but we about to find out, y'all. Stand on it. Probably do some donuts. My clutch is slipping. Well, it's starting to. Get some new plates. Anybody want to sponsor some plates, let me know. I need some. But let's see what this thing do. I don't even know how to go upon standing on that thing. I did, huh? Bipolar. First it wanted to burn rubber, then it didn't. Then it wanted the wheelie, then it didn't. Tried to do a roller, spun, and then it clicked second, and then the front end wants to push. About to lose my fender. Some bolts came out. But speaking on this step plate, hey, it's solid. The bike wheelie super fast, so I gotta get used to that. See if I can get a good one. I tried the second gear, and it spun. So we'll give it another shot. Gonna give it a little break. Well, tired, but yeah. Let me see if we get T-Cat to get his bike in the air and get him to ride it out. This is first day trying to really wheelie. Come here. I'll give him some tips. So, slow down a little bit and try to clutch it. Give it a little gas, let go of the clutch, and pull on the handlebars. You won't wheelie over or whatever. You'll hit the pipe before anything. And you'll just get an idea and feel how it feels for the bike to come up. We're gonna have to let some air out the tire. We'll let some air out the tire. The tire's spinning. We ain't got a tire gauge, but we just gonna air it down until it lay a good little patch on the ground. Oh, he trying to do wheelies with a bald Harley tire. Right there. You gotta throw your weight. Throw your weight back. Throw it right there. There you go. I'm right here. Slow down, slow down, slow down. Right there, right there. Throw your weight back. Yeah. It's practice wheelie day today. Yeah. T-Cat's tires balling. He on a Harley tire. For everybody that don't know, Harley tires are super hard to burn rubber. Actually, I'm sorry. They are good to burn rubber on, but they're hard to wheelie. They just spin. So we gonna see Aaron. Gonna see what Aaron can do. Oh, he's talking. Real street bike. This bike fast as hell. It do everything. It do everything. Standing that thing up, huh? Look at him. Hey. Oh boy, he only been riding a year, y'all. If that. That big boy power, huh? Is that big boy? Hey, let's get a second gear. Can we get a second? Yeah, it throws him back.
Throw much throb in the throttle. God damn, can't talk. So much throb in the saddlebag, got the CD player skipping.
When you 12 o'clock on the bike, this is what happens. What happened, Aaron? You was 12 o'clock?
I guess. Your amps fell out the back of the bag.
Hey, this don't happen from baby wheelies.
I can literally put my hand through it.
You put your hand through. Look right here. Get it. Did you get in there? In the front side in the actual bag?
He got slapped though.
There it is. That
T-Cat the wheelie, my bike. We gonna see how I feel. Oh, look at my bike look good, man. My bike look good. Hey, it is. Hey, you wanna wheelie off the gas? It wheelies off the gas. Yeah, we about to get T-Cat the wheelie. Hey, hold on my gloves. Oh. Don't crash it. Oh. We about to get T-Cat to see how I feel the wheelie bike. His bike, he is spinning the tire. The brackets that goes across to the engine, the front one right here came off.
Nah, go up.
Yeah.
Go up.
Try it again.
Go up.
Hold on. You all right? You all right? How was that? Hey, how's that? How's that?
Your shit to be like that.
Huh?
Higher. You one higher and then his shit high. Damn.
How is it?
I like that. It's scary. I wouldn't change shit. Yeah, that's all right.
Boots, go ahead. Oh, everybody test riding Masajaki bike today. All right. For y'all that don't know, we got the 2-over Geezer suspension up front, 2-overs, 23 wraparound, 18, 15-inch Geezer shocks, 30 Star Racing cam, bikes on E85, 64 millimeter throttle body injectors.
You can't help but.
Turn the ignition on.
What kind of tire is that?
That's a Metzler. It's a burnt rubber tire.
Hey, you know, I'm just sitting 25s, man. You know, these dinosaur
You're
bikes,
perfect
man.
for that. Oh.
Hey, just try not to let off the gas too hard. Ease out of it. Hey, look, they can't talk about Boots no more because look, this is his first time ever wheeling a bike. Ever. And he double tapped that gas and he rode a pretty good wheelie. Yeah. Oh, hey, get my bike back. Oh, B-Nice first ride in how long? Last summer. Oh, he just take right off like he remember what he's doing.
Oh, okay.
Oh, it's his first ride, y'all, since he been in his accident. Broke his whole left side. You gonna give it a shot again?
Get me, get him. Hey, watch, he's gonna go get the 25.
He is gonna go get a 25 now. Look, he is going kind of fast, man. No. His whole right side is rods and plates. See his adrenaline, his heart pumping now, y'all. Hey, y'all, his heart pumping. Look, he know good and well that's his first time riding a bike. Hey, his first time riding a bike since. Hey, that's a. Hey, when the last time you rode a bike? When's the last time you rode a bike? July. He ain't rode a bike since July, man. His whole, is it your right side? Yeah, his right side are all rods and plates. Rods and pistons, crankshafts and pistons and all rods, right side. But yeah, that's it, y'all. We out here with the fam, out here practicing wheelies. We think everybody learned something today. Yeah, everybody learned something today. Aaron clicked a couple second gears. Let T-Cat and Boots ride my bike. B-Nice rode Boots' bike for the first time, and since July he ain't rode a bike after his accident. But yeah, man, we out here learning every week. Like and subscribe if you haven't already. Masajaki himself. You know what I'm saying? Merch coming soon, y'all. Merch coming soon. Keep an eye out. Merch coming soon. But yeah, like this, share it, comment, everything. Appreciate all you guys for tuning in. We just giving rides to the little cousins and stuff now. Late.